In wireless communications, antennas and communications systems are an integral component of successful implementation. Whether it's Wi-Fi, ship-to-shore, cellular, aircraft, or satellite links. Today we're in Fresno, California, home of the M2 Antenna Systems Corporation. M2 Antenna Systems has a blend of technical expertise and a common-sense approach to accommodating your needs. With more than 35 years of experience designing and building antenna systems to satisfy ever-expanding communications needs, they don't just build antennas, they understand radio propagation and Mother Nature's effects on it. M2 also understands how to beat nature mechanically. They take the time to learn their customers' needs, any potential pitfalls, and are dedicated to designing and manufacturing products and solutions to achieve the best, most reliable communication systems possible. M2 is a small business with old-fashioned work ethics. Their growing base of repeat customers is a confirmation of their commitment to excellence. M2's production facility is geared to handle single-piece orders, custom designs, and high-volume production runs. With a 20,000 square foot facility, computer-aided design and simulation, and three-dimensional rendering software, M2 confidently meets your requirements. Equipped with a full-precision CNC machine shop, moving products from design to delivery is seamless. M2 Antenna Systems started by building satellite communications antennas for the government. Leveraging their early success, the company has excelled at producing innovative, high-quality radio frequency products to meet the demanding communications needs of government, military, space, research, and scientific communities. Visit them at m2inc.com.